Library and Computer Center. At Library and Computer Center here we have a lot of services, and I believe my brother Obonyo is going to explain to you into details. So take your time, watch this video until the end.
Yeah, first of all, let me welcome everyone here. Me, I'm by the name Samuel Obonyo, one of the workers in this LCC. Here, I welcome even my colleagues here. From this, we learned most of the packages on computer, which includes introduction to computer, Microsoft Office Word, Internet Publisher, and others like Excel. So in this room also we have library where it contains a lot of books like novels, then students' notebook, plus those meeting book and others. Yeah, it is today that we brought to you bookshops where it contains a lot of learning materials like books, glue, chalks, spring files, and others. Also in this room we have 8 printing machines, whereby you can see this one is a 8 print machine, whereby if you print your text or photo on paper, on sublimation paper, you are going to place your t-shirt like this here. Then you place this sublimation printer paper with text or photo. Then you press. After some few seconds, you unleash it, whereby they're going to print like this one, the way you are seeing. This 8 print machine has 8 all accessories like sublimation printer, whereby it uses sublimation ink. Also, we have this dryer. After maybe you complete your work, you are going to use this dryer to make it dry, and this one uses hot air. Apart from that, we have this chassis, also help you to iron your text printed on your cloth. Here we have variety of shirts. This one is a round neck with various colors: blue, white, green, red, and others. Also we have this color. You can see the different color, the color you want, and come to us and we print to you at affordable price. I am Samuel Obonyo. Thank.
Read deals in typing and printing, photocopying, laminating, scanning, binding, computer training, photograph, and video coverage.